We dismiss the so-called national shutdown as nothing more than a failed attempt to sow chaos. These opportunists have no plan for building South Africa, but only destruction.
The Secretary General of the ANC, Fikile Mbalula, has responded to the national shutdown that is currently trending on social media after President Ramaphosa made that statement on Nigerians coming to South Africa without a passport. Fikile Mbalula is urging the nation to dismiss this so-called national shutdown is something that is just a failed attempt to try and create chaos in South Africa. So this is the response by the ANC. They are urging everyone to ignore this thing. So instead of dismissing the statements that Ramaphosa made whilst he was in Nigeria, they're actually dismissing this thing, this national shutdown. And also Fikile Mbalula tried to explain what Ramaphosa was actually trying to say. And there was also a minister of international relations who was saying Nigerians still have to come with a passport. They still have to come with a passport. So these were some of the defenses that were coming in. Looking at all of this, nobody has a problem with Nigeria doing business with Nigeria, but letting them come to South Africa without a passport is just a no-go area. All international countries should come with a passport. No one should just be coming into South Africa like they are moving from Johannesburg to Cape Town. It's just not a good idea.